Good morning, Side Hustle Season family. This is the channel where we turn our side hustle into a business. And lately we have been studying on box truck loads. So let's just get straight into it today because my voice is a little bit, what do they call it? Rasp. I've had a sore throat. The weather here in the desert has been rapidly changing, going from hot to cold, and it gave me a little bit of a sore throat, so I apologize in advance about my voice. But let's go ahead and get into some loads. Let's start on the West Coast with Los Angeles. And this is 26-foot box truck loads, you guys. Straight box, 10,000 in weight. Full or partial, we'll do both. Let's change that date out until tomorrow. And let's search. 42 loads available here in Los Angeles with 150 miles of deadhead. We have, let's look at this one. This is a partial, this first one here. Ontario, California to Tucson, Arizona. $1,000. It's 326-mile trip. It is full at 8,700 pounds. What do you guys think about that? Would you take that? $1,000, 326 miles. You can factor this load. And their credit score is a 95. So, good company. Let's see what else we have. What about this one, you guys? We see some trash loads on this load board. And we see some good ones, but just tell me, what are your thoughts? 244 miles, $200, full at 10,000 pounds. Yeah, they definitely have to come up on that. Let's check this out. Fontana, California to Florida. Let's see. This is a 17, almost 1,800 mile trip for $450. But it is an extreme partial because it's very small, 4 feet, 1,200 pounds. So we could see what we could put with that, if we were to take that. It says 400 look at the comments, you guys. $450 firm because it's only 2 pallets. Okay, their credit score is a 95. You can factor this load. I mean, you could for sure add some pallets with that, but you'd have to find another company going that way. Let's see. Okay, what about this one? 685 miles, $1,400, 4,000 pounds. The length is 26 feet. California to Utah. What do you guys think about that? Look at this. California to Arizona, 488 miles, $800, 4,000 pounds. No comments on this load. I'm still waiting for you guys to drop something in the comments to where you want to see. Because if not, I'm just going to randomly pick. Let's see. What about this one, you guys? 134 miles for $400. It's 4,000 pounds from Los Angeles, California to Wasco, California. I'm not sure where Wasco is, but not too far from LA at 134 miles. Not bad, huh? Here's another one. Santa Fe. Oh, this one was canceled. It was from California to Utah. It's been canceled. Okay. Here's another California to Utah. 662 miles for $1,000. That is pretty full at 8,000 pounds. And they want you to only email them with your MC number to contact them. You see that in the comments? They don't want you to call them. Email them with your MC number. Okay, this is California with 42 loads available, Los Angeles area. Of course, you guys are welcome to slow it down, pause it, if you want to get a better look at some of these loads. Now let's go to the East Coast. I'm only doing 2 this morning, you guys. My throat is really bothering me. Let's go to New York. 150 miles of deadhead. 77, you guys. 77 available. Okay. Let's check out this one. From New Jersey to South Carolina. 738 miles, $1,000. It's full at 10,000 pounds. Look at this one. 2,300 miles, $3,300, 600 pounds. From Connecticut to Utah. I'm just giving you guys just a little overview, you know what I mean, of what you can make, how you could put some loads together, full and partial, or put partials together to make a full. And you also, of course, have to think about where you're going into and if you're going to be able to get out of there and how you're going to get back home to your area. These are the loads in New York. 77, that's a lot of loads. It's a lot of loads. Let's check out this one. From Philadelphia to El Paso. 2,100 miles, $3,500, 8,500 pounds. What do you guys think about that one? Quite a lot of loads available here in New York. And remember, guys, when we talked about these ones, air miles, 215 miles, it says. These are air miles. They're not the same as ground miles. So you would have to call the broker to get the actual mileage. So you want to get the actual addresses to where you're coming from and where you're going to have your miles accurate. A lot of loads to go through here. 77 coming from New York and surrounding areas within 150 miles deadhead of New York, New York. That's what I put it in for. So of course it's the surrounding areas. A lot coming out of New Jersey. I've seen a few coming from New Jersey to Texas. So you know what I'm going to do really quick, you guys? I'm going to put in, let's see, if I was to travel out from that one from New York. Let's say I got a load from California to New York. And I see a lot going from New York to Texas. So let's see if I would be able to get back from Texas to California. Let's see. So we're just like planning a quick route here, a pretend one. We're going to say that I went from California to New York or New Jersey and got a load back from New Jersey to Texas. And let's see if I can get from Texas back to California. See if we see anything here. Nope, only 5 loads available coming out. Let's see. Okay, let's say I was in El Paso. Let's try Houston. Anything? There's 19 available in Houston, you guys. But I'm focusing on getting back to California from Texas. And there was nothing in El Paso coming my way. So, no, I would have not been able to plan that load to get back to California. I mean, I could have deadheaded it. That's a 10-hour drive from El Paso to my area of California. Okay, well, that's all for today or for right now. I'll try to do another video later. Put something up, just something really quick. Leave in the comments if there's something that you would like me to see, and I will get on that today. Thank you for tuning in to Side Hustle Season, where we turn our side hustles into a business. Please let me know in the comments any word that you would like to see, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much.